The Bissell Little Green Mini Cleaner delivers surprisingly strong suction for its small footprint, pulling up embedded stains from carpets and upholstery that larger machines often leave behind. Its compact, lightweight body is easy to carry upstairs and tuck into a cabinet or closet, making it practical for small homes, apartments, or anyone short on storage space. The included tough stain tool and dedicated cleaning formula work together to handle stubborn pet accidents and everyday spills while helping neutralize lingering odors. A self-rinsing hose feature makes it much easier to flush out residue after a cleaning session, so the machine does not develop buildup or unpleasant smells over time. Because it is designed for soft surfaces beyond carpets, it is especially useful for refreshing car interiors, fabric furniture, pet beds, and other hard-to-reach areas. Pet owners will appreciate that the cleaner not only tackles fur and tracked in grime, but also supports an ongoing effort to help animals in need through the manufacturer's charitable foundation.